Alright, Kanban for products. First, Kanban signals the need for more products when inventory is too low, as it's important to keep stock low so that there are no wasted products when being ordered. Second, Kanban. When signaled again, it will be emptied by the demand of patient's needs. Then the process is to be recycled all over again. The Kanban for patients are a little different as it's used to create continuous flow so that there is no delay in care. The process mapping component of Kanban can be implemented to any existing process to help control disorganization and properly place people to target the right item so that there is limited work in progress. With the process of the new donors for a plasma center, the Kanban can map out the donors to see where they are positioned in line. If they reach over the standard time in any step of the progress, such as the registration, educational video, medical screening, physical screening, then we will have an employee be positioned to assist the patient to help manage the workflow. As you can see in the picture above, Kanban will help visualize the workflow by splitting the work into pieces. You can write each item on the card and put it on the wall. The name columns will help illustrate where each item is in the workflow. Therefore, the potential to help with a patient that may be stuck on a step can be seen, so that it potentially might have not been seen if it was not mapped out.